We're standing on the edge of something groundbreaking. Imagine robots equipped with general intelligence, machines that not only learn but can adapt to almost any task we throw at them. This isn't just sci-fi anymore, it's happening, thanks to a revolutionary startup called Physical Intelligence. This company has caught the eyes of big names like Jeff Bezos and OpenAI, securing a whopping $400 million in funding. And what's got everyone so excited? Their new AI model, Pi Zero. It's a robot brain that doesn't just control a single-task machine. Instead, it powers robots that can think, move, and adapt to all kinds of situations. We're talking robots that can mop and vacuum floors, serve food, or even dust your home, with an intelligence and precision that's been out of reach until now. So how did we get here? Let's rewind a bit. Traditionally, robots have been specialists. You've got assembly line robots that only move specific parts, and industrial bots for tightly controlled tasks. The problem? They're stuck in their ways. Great at one task, but useless if you want them to try something new. Physical Intelligence is rewriting the playbook. Instead of building new robot hardware, they've focused on developing a highly adaptive AI brain that any robot can use to handle a huge range of tasks. And that's where Pi Zero shines. So, why Pi Zero stands out? For one, this AI doesn't just respond to commands. It integrates vision, language, and motor control all in one, which means it can see, interpret, and act based on what it understands. Tell Pi Zero to mop the floor, and it will assess the situation, figure out what needs to go where, and get to work. It's been trained on over 10,000 hours of data from various robotic setups, so it knows how to adjust on the fly, almost like a human. And here's the incredible part. Pi Zero can perform several actions per minute, giving it smooth, precise movements that are crucial for delicate tasks. To make Pi Zero adaptable, the team at Physical Intelligence, including top experts like robotics researcher Sergey Levine from Stanford, trained it on data that covers an impressive range of tasks. They didn't just gather random data, they actually created a comprehensive training program using flow matching, a method that teaches the AI to move naturally and smoothly. Imagine this. You come home after a long day and your robot assistant has dusted your home and maybe even prepped a snack. Physical Intelligence is envisioning a future where robots become practical, everyday helpers, not just sci-fi dreams. They've shown robots doing real tasks in real time. No pre-programmed scripts here, but on-the-spot decision-making. To get Pi Zero to this point, they pre-trained it on a massive range of tasks, just like how language models like ChatGPT are trained on text. But instead of words, it's trained on actions like folding, lifting, and placing objects carefully. For simpler tasks, it works out of the box. For more complex actions, it can be fine-tuned. This isn't without challenges. Robots, this advanced, raise big questions. First, there's the impact on jobs. If robots start doing tasks that require little training, what happens to those jobs? Then there's privacy. These robots will need a lot of data, some of which could be sensitive. And of course, making advanced robotics accessible and affordable isn't easy. Right now, Pi Zero is at the forefront of robotics innovation, but costs need to come down before it's ready for everyday homes and businesses. Looking at the bigger picture, Pi Zero isn't just another robot model, it's a foundational leap toward a world where robots can think and act with versatility. Physical Intelligence's approach could change robotics across industries, from homes to warehouses and even caregiving, making everyday tasks easier and more efficient. This journey has just begun, and with companies like Physical Intelligence leading the way, we're entering a new era where robots are no longer limited by single tasks. So, if you're as excited as I am about the future of AI-powered robots, drop a comment below and let's chat about it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more updates on cutting-edge tech. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.